In this video, we listed the 5 best metal detector on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. MD4080 Professional Detector. The Treasure Hunter. MD4080 Metal Detector is a versatile tool for hunting coins, relics, jewelry, gold, and silver in various terrains such as lawns, snow, and mountains. Featuring adjustable stem length, a shield, headphone jack, and a comfortable grip with elbow support, this metal detector offers ease of use and convenience during operation. Suitable for finding and testing metal objects including gold and silver jewelry, coins, and relics, the detector is designed for hobbyists and enthusiasts alike. Constructed from alloy and plastic, the detector requires two 9V alkaline batteries, not included, for power. With a search coil diameter of 20 centimeters and an adjustable height range from 80 centimeters to 115 centimeters, this lightweight detector weighing 804 G is easy to handle and transport. The package dimensions of 45.5 x 21 by 10 centimeters and a weight of 1092 g make it convenient to store and carry for metal detecting adventures. The MD4080 model from Treasure Hunter is a reliable and feature-rich metal detector suitable for various metalworking DIY projects. Number 2. MD910 Underground Metal Detector. The Tri-Core Power MD910 metal detector offers advanced features for metal detection enthusiasts. With 5 modes of operation including all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint, this detector provides versatility in searching for specific types of metals. The intuitive LCD control panel with a backlight display enhances user experience by showing detecting depth, discrimination, operating mode, sensitivity level, and battery level. Equipped with a 10-inch IP68 waterproof search coil, this detector allows for underwater metal detecting, as well as outdoor treasure hunting on various terrains. The adjustable height and ergonomic design make it suitable for users of different ages and sizes. Additionally, the detector features 3 audio prompts for different metal types, depth, sensitivity adjustment, and various control settings for a customized detecting experience. Powered by 2 9V alkaline batteries, not included, the MD910 metal detector from Tri-Core Power is a reliable tool for metalworking DIY projects and treasure hunting adventures. Number 3. High Sensitivity Metal Detector. The Treasure Hunter GT300/GT200 Metal Detector is a versatile tool for treasure hunting enthusiasts looking to uncover coins, relics, jewelry, gold, and silver in various environments such as lawns, snow-covered areas, and mountains. This detector features adjustable stem length for user comfort, shield iron for enhanced detection accuracy, and the ability to distinguish between different metals through varying audio signals. With a headphone jack for private listening, a padded grip, and elbow support, users can operate this detector comfortably for extended periods. Suitable for detecting metal objects, jewelry, coins, and relics, the GT300/GT200 offers 2 main detection modes, all metal and distinguish mode. Constructed from durable alloy and plastic materials in a striking black and green color scheme, this detector requires 2 9V alkaline batteries, not included, for operation. With a search coil diameter of 20 centimeters and adjustable height ranging from 80 centimeters to 115 centimeters, this detector is lightweight at 804 G and comes in a convenient package size of 502/018 cm, weighing 1.2 kilograms. The GT300/GT200 from Treasure Hunter is a reliable companion for metalworking DIY projects and outdoor treasure hunting adventures. Number 4. MD6450 Gold Metal Detector. The Tiangsun MD6450 Metal Detector is a top-of-the-line device that offers advanced features for both experienced and novice treasure hunters. Equipped with exclusive Target ID technology and patented discrimination features, this detector provides accurate target analysis and discrimination settings through two indicator scales on its LCD screen. The MD6450 boasts enhanced iron resolution for separating valuable targets from iron debris in cluttered areas and comes with a standard 8.5x11 waterproof double D search coil designed for optimal performance in mineralized soils. With one-touch operation, adjustable sensitivity settings, and various detection modes including all metal, jewelry, custom, relics, coin, and pinpointer, this detector ensures a user-friendly and versatile detecting experience. Powered by 4 AA batteries, the MD6450 features a 3-tone audio system, LCD with digital display and backlight, ferrous and non-ferrous metal distinction, and a 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. The detector's innovative features such as Target ID Legend, Target ID Cursor, Coin Depth Indicator, Battery Level Indicator, and Sensitivity Indicator enhance the user's detecting efficiency and accuracy. The Tianxuan MD6450 metal detector is a reliable tool for various detecting environments and comes with a free 6-month limited warranty to ensure customer satisfaction. Number 5. MD3028 Adjustable Metal Detector. The MD3028 LCD Underground Metal Detector by Tianxuan is a cutting-edge device designed for accurate target pinpointing and versatile detecting applications. Featuring a patented LCD display technology, this metal detector offers enhanced visibility for detecting metals in low-light conditions or at night. With fully automatic and all-metal detection capabilities, the MD3028 allows users to adjust sensitivity, volume, and target preferences easily through its intuitive interface. The detector's unique 3-tone audio system provides distinct alerts for different types of targets, while the pinpointing function helps users locate buried valuables precisely. Equipped with an 8.5 waterproof search coil, the detector is suitable for various environments, including shallow water detection. The MD3028 comes with a 1-year warranty and includes features such as a battery condition indicator, ferrous and non-ferrous metal distinction, adjustable stem for comfortable use, and a headphone jack for private listening. With applications ranging from treasure hunting to security checks, this metal detector offers high sensitivity and stable performance, making it an essential tool for hobbyists and professionals alike.